Wat bedoel jy means what do you mean? We wouldn't use wat beteken jy because in Afrikaans we use bedoel when a person means or intends something. But we use beteken when a word, phrase or concept has a meaning. Byvoorbeeld, die woord leer beteken learn in Engels. Ek bedoel dat dit lekker is om te leer. In the first example, we use beteken because it is a word that means something. In the second one, we use bedoel because it is a person who means or intends to say a certain thing. So, remember, we use bedoel for people and beteken for words and concepts. That's why wat bedoel jy is correct, but wat beteken jy does not sound natural in Afrikaans.